Okay, so.
Who's this video going out?
Oh, hold on. My husband. Hold on. Oh, shit.
Roger X Resounding.
Yeah, that kid. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, the really hot one. That's her husband.
Yeah, hold on. I'll show you a picture. Hold on, see. That kid.
Beautiful.
That's my husband. No, sexy. This is all mine. Oh, look at that. Do you see that cute face? Okay. Yeah, so. She's texting. But yeah, we're making a video just for you because you're cool and I love you very much. Yeah, I just got it from the mall and I look like shit.
Look at my new pants.
Yeah, she got new pants.
And a new hoodie.
Oh, and a Coach Star shit pudding. But she didn't buy me anything like she said she would. She's a whore.
I helped pay for the gauges.
Oh yeah, that's all.
Cody's on.
Oh,
What
maybe that's why he didn't go small because he's sick as hell.
Maybe.
Oh, see, look, there's Cody. Here's a fact. Yeah, well, okay, this video is gonna be gay. So,
And my battery's about to die.
oh shit.
Oh well, we can make it last for a couple more minutes.
Okay, no,
seconds.
yes. So, bye, Roger.
Later, Gator.
I love you.
I love you too.
No, you don't. It's too short.
I mean, Amber loves you.
Bye.